Sleeping bag.
Oh. What's up, guys?
Oh yeah. What's up? I'm going to Hope Point. Dan's never camped before in his life, but he's spent more days outside than most people will their whole lives. So we're gonna cover Josh and Honey tonight, and we'll let you guys know how that goes. God, dude, you're so technical. Hey Josh, can I get a little, yeah?
What?
All right, here we are, Hope Point Trail. Get a little hike in. Get a little guys weekend. Woo! We're gonna hit the top of this and then cook out, set up camp for the night. About halfway to the top. Let's get it. Here we are. I think our destination up there, almost there. Whew. Hell yeah. All right, almost to the top. I'm gonna go ahead and stop right up about here, and we're gonna make our way just right there, finish off the hike. Cheers. Woo! Time to head back down. This is probably the sketchiest part of the hike right here. Oh, geez. Got it.
You go to TikTok, you're gonna find a funny video, right?
Uh-huh.
Sit there, and your eyes, by the time you go in there, you can't put your eyes on.
Yeah.
And you go in, and what I thought was...
Woo. Hike, boys. You guys have cold water? Well, good hike. Head to the campsite. Cook some steaks.
Yeah, this is a good spot.
Woo! Not a bad little setup here. Josh, Dan, and I have some steaks for tonight.
Yeah.
Hey, here in the chef's corner, we've got some potatoes rocking, some cigarettes getting smoked in the background, and some steaks about to go on the grill, baby. All right, little cheers, baby. Let's go. Woo! Hey. Flip these bad boys. Let's go, dude. You have to save yourself.
I got tears.
Dude, hell yeah. Check it out, bro. Not too
yeah, baby.
bad. So it's like 5 o'clock back home. We got some food roasting, some desserts. Josh is eating cookies and milk like a child.
Don't patronize me.
Yeah, I like these bad boys rare. Yo, good morning. Josh. Good morning.
Morning.
What's up? Slept pretty well. Sun came up like 4:30.
Yeah.
So, a little kind of early. Went back to bed for a little bit and make some coffee and breakfast. What burger is that, dude?
It's Angus.
Oh. No. Got some coffee going. Thanks, Josh. I'm gonna do some bacon, eggs, avocado, and pancakes for breakfast. We're eating good out here. We're not playing games. Pancakes going on. Oh yeah. Here, talking crap, cause I didn't bring a spatula. Got some eggs going. Nice. Pancakes and bacon. And I'm cooking mine in this. Oh!
I was I probably put it in something.
So, it's been really nice we have the river right here because when we're done eating, we can just wash our plates off and put them in our food storage locker right here. We didn't do that. We left some of this stuff out for a few hours or overnight. High probability that a bear would get into it. All right, so it's packed up, about to head out of here. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Airborne. Don't put that in there.
Oh no.